Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Snapchat with very easy and quick steps which I'll be guiding you through the video. So let's start our video. Firstly, you have to be on your home screen, then open your Snapchat and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on your profile. Now you have to select settings. Here you can see various options where you have to click on mobile number. So now you have to delete your previous number. Type in your new mobile number. Then click on verify. So the Snapchat will send you a verification code on your new mobile number. So type in the code that you got in your message. Then select continue. Now you have to type in your password of your Snapchat, then click on continue. After entering your password, you will successfully change your mobile number. I hope you found this video helpful and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.